ਕਾਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੌਸਲੇ ਨਾ ਹਾਰੋ, ਜੋ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਕੀਕਤ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਤਾਕਤ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਵੈਲਕਮ एवरीवन टू माय लेक्चर नंबर 5 of physics series light reflection and refraction. So today we will learn about refractive index and power and do infinite practice. So today's topics I have told you. And of course we will practice some questions at the end, so stay tuned till the last. So let's start it. So today we will study about refractive index. Clear? So what is refractive index? First let's start with refractive index. It tells us how much light bends and when it enters a new medium. It tells us how much light bends when it enters into a new medium. How much light bends when it enters into a new medium. So formula to calculate refractive index is speed of light in vacuum, over speed of light in medium. Clear? Denser the medium, slower the light, higher the refractive index. Clear? Another useful relation is n is equal to sin I by sin R. Clear? And speed of light in vacuum, you are wondering about it, it is 3 into 10 raised to power 8. Clear? Now the next topic, the last topic of this chapter is power. Clear? So formula, we will talk directly about formula. Formula is P is equal to 100 by F, means century over focal length. Unit of power, unit is diopter, represented by capital D. 1D is equal to power of a lens with focal length is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? Shortcut to remember, century over focal length. If power is positive, lens is convex. If power is negative, lens is concave. Means power positive, lens convex. Power negative, lens concave. So our chapter is over today. Now we will start the infinite practice. Questions. Question number 1. So now let's some quick questions. The speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. What is the refractive index of the glass? Index of glass. Solution, answer, use this formula. N is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8. Value is given 2 into 10 raised to power 8. This cancels out. Answer comes out 1.5. Next question. A convex lens has focal length 25 centimeter. Find its power. So now let's calculate it. P is 100 by f. Clear? So 100 focal length, convex lens, so focal length taken positive. Answer is 4D. Next question. A concave lens has power is equal to -2 diopter. Find focal length. Answer, f is equal to 100 by -2 is equal to -50 centimeter. Answer. This thing clear to you? Now we will practice more questions. Question number 4. State Snell's law mathematically. State Snell's law. Answer is sin I by sin R is equal to constant. This thing clear to you? Question number 5. Relation between n and wavelength. You should remember this relation very well. Answer, n is directly proportional to 1 by wavelength. Clear? Or here n stands for smaller wavelength. This relation is very important. You should remember it. Next question. Question number 6. Find R when I is equal to 60 degree and n is equal to √3. So the relation becomes sin R is equal to sin I by n. So sin 60 degree √3 by 2 over √3. Okay, this cancels out. Answer comes 0.5. This thing clear? Next question comes question number 7. State 2 applications of total internal energy. Very important question. So applications are optical fibers, second one diamond sparkle. Only learn these two applications of total internal energy. Clear? Now question number 8. If two lenses of +2 diopter and +3 diopter are kept in contact, find equivalent power. Answer is P is equal to P1 plus P2. It becomes 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 diopter. Clear? So we will discuss now question number 9. Which lens is converging? Which lens is converging? Positive or negative power? Answer positive. I have told you all the properties of the lenses. Now next question we will discuss. Question 10. Eye lens has power 50 diopter. Find focal length. Answer is F is equal to 100 by 50. That means 2 centimeter. Don't forget to use units. So our last question of today's session is question 11. We will discuss more questions in our next class. Two lens of power +3 diopter and -6 diopter are in contact. Find resultant. So answer is F is equal to 100 by -3. That means approximately -33.3 centimeter. So ਛੋਟੇ ਕਦਮ ਵੀ ਵਾਦੇ ਗੋਲ ਸਵਾਲਦੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਹਰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਕਰੋ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਰੱਖ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਰੱਖ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਤਾਕਤ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਰੋਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੀ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਥੋੜਾ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਸਕਸੈਸ ਦਾ ਰਾਸਤਾ ਖੋਲੂਗਾ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਵੀ ਬਿਆਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ आज पसीना वगेगा कल कामयाबी चमकेगी तुसी अपने जीवन दे हीरो खुद हो जादों तुसी खुद ते भरोसा कर लैंदे हो तां दुनिया भी तुहाड़े उपर विश्वास करन लगदी है सफलता उसनों ही मिलदी है जो काड़े हार नहीं मानदा ਹਰ ਗਿਰਾਵਟ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਉਡਾਨ ਦਾ ਸੰਕੇਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੌਸਲੇ ਨਾ ਹਾਰੋ, ਜੋ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹਕੀਕਤ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਤਾਕਤ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੈ। Presented by your physics wale bhaiya. So subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon, and in tomorrow's class we will discuss about more questions. So thank you everyone. पढ़ते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए।